So this is the advertising of a good workshop. This is on the Akuresa road between Gala and going up hills, and he's fixing things in minutes. Yeah, here's his card. That's his card. All in Sinhalese, so there you can understand there's his phone number. This is a video about a battery case for a three-wheeler. I can recommend this one because it is custom made, but they do it in Ceylon, but it's not original from Bajaj. The problem is that sometimes people are stealing batteries. So this beautiful green battery, I think it's written made in India, Amaron. It's a very good battery, and it happens that sometimes you will just have no more left when you come back to your three-wheel. Now my battery case is totally rusty, and it was time to replace it. And then this original Bajaj battery, what's called battery case, that thing we're gonna throw away and put this one instead. And this one can also be locked. So I'll show you that on the video. It's a short video, and let's see how much this will cost. I'm not afraid of the price. These people are always very, very affordable, and with their prices. So let's have a look how it's going to replace that. So just a short video about this battery box, which is possible to be locked here with a small battery. So now we will remove that piece of junk, completely corroded. It's 10 years old, never maintained, and just rotting away over the years. I think I still need to comment about the availability of such services. I can tell you that in Sri Lanka people are really spoiled because they can just walk in a workshop as I did now. It's already close to 6 o'clock. The man was just there. I show him my problem and he's immediately jumping to work that thing and repair it. And this is something we don't expect anymore to get in our other countries. This one we also get included. Yeah? Okay, Kamati. So we got here. That's also local production. See, very good. Yeah, I see. Local production means that it is good quality. Also, because this is very thick metal sheet, painted. I don't worry if it's going to rust or anyhow. But you hear already by the sound, you know, that's something. It's like heavy duty, you know. Look at that thing here. You will find some animals in there. Maybe some lizards. And it all works. I mean, that vehicle is working. A little bit cleaning away all that rust.
This one?
I like this one. This one. We don't need that other one, huh? Okay. So now he's putting this thing in place. There's no surprise. It fits because it's made for the three-wheeler, which is more or less always the same when we are staying with the Bajaj model. Now he's thinking how to fix it, but he knows. Let's see. So that battery fits. The lock part also fits, and now we need to find the place for this beauty to stay somehow without collapsing.
Yeah.
Yes. And then we have the lock reverse.
Kali kami patang
Yes, I see. So there's another customer. He came also in the evening with his Chinese air pump for the bike. This needs to be welded because that doesn't hold. Obviously, it's not made for holding. So the Sinhalese workshop is going to make that thing last forever. Here's now the modification of our lock system. Shall I hold it? Shall I hold for you? Okay, I hold it. Because he doesn't have so many hands. It's okay, Kelly? Hey. Yeah, Harry, huh? There, we need to work a little bit this job together. So, I put it in the right way. He will orientate. Like this?
The space.
Okay, you tell me what to do. I just hold it. That's it. I don't need to hold it anymore. So this is to put a lock. Notice he made the edges round even to make it more safe for handling. Now he's putting the water to cool it. It's getting more and more close to perfection. Still have a couple weldings to do to end the parts. We're adding another leg to the case. Little bit battery outside. Wonderful, it fits. We can put it in and out.
Yeah.
That's excellent. Ondai. Now fit some flat irons. You added some water supply, huh? Yes.
We got to cooling.
Cooling, yes. This from the doctor. Very smart. So he's using the
Ceylon.
Yeah, like from the hospital.
Yeah.
You can regulate the flow like this. Good idea. See, there's even a second person getting involved here. There's a helper. You want me to hold it for you? I hold.
Yeah.
He is going to make a marking for that flat iron. He just bent and perforated, and now he's going to do a welding, and that's why he's putting the pencil marks. You can see there are three persons. There's the boss, there's his assistant, and there's the wife. She's also bringing the tools. Everything is very well coordinated. So he's fitting a caoutchouc rubber base to this metal so it will not make shaking noises when we drive. I didn't even expect that, but it's part of the idea. And it fits because it's made for the size of tube. This is what was my original, and this is what I will get, and all this within minutes. It's so nice, fits well. I just need to be able to turn the petrol. All perfect. Now our welding boss is even applying some black paint to make that look completely like it is made by the company. Beautiful closing of the single is people waiting. There's this friendly man with his pump, and I asked him if I can show his nice sarong. It's a batik, some kind of silk batik production. And the lady here also has a very beautiful flower design in green. And her husband is still working on this notary case. Now the job is done. The wife is putting the tools back in the place where they have to be. They are the last customers. No, there's still that air pump customer. In Sri Lanka, we will recycle that Nissan mud carpet or whatever, and he's going to cut another one for me right into this Japanese item. So I will have a nice Nissan logo on my Bajaj Tuktuk. It will not be visible because it's under the battery, but it's a nice reminder that in Sri Lanka they will not waste such valuable materials. They can always be used for something. And that's really thick. That's a nice one. You on my junk. Oh, godak lasanai. My goodness. So we have a battery from India with an American business partner, I think. Then we have that steel made, I don't know in which country, maybe China, and the rubber plate from Japan, and of course the Bajaj is produced in India too. Now he's fitting inside. You see, it all works out well. I can even put now a padlock here. I can still change my reserve and whatever, and now we just need to let this man connect back the current. Padlock later? Yeah, we put a nice padlock here. The size of the hole is enough for a big one. And you see, that's it. Now we can even try to start it. Where's the key? Yatore. Let's start it. Careful, gear off. 2,450 rupees, including this, including the work. You saw how many jobs you had to do. Even you are bored by my video, so long it was. But 2,450, that's like 11 euros. 11 euros, you see, your money still has a value in Sri Lanka. If you come with your money from abroad, you can do many things with that money, much more than if you stay and keep your money in Europe. Your turn, now it's your turn. This one, okay. He's going to repair now for this friendly man the pump. No problem, pass me no.
Yeah, done.
Goodbye, sir.